her hair was growing really fast. If you want to know how she got this hair volume, keep on watching.
So love, these are the two ingredients we'll be using. The number one ingredient we'll be using is fennel seed. Okay, after fennel seed we'll be using rosemary. Like these two combo together is really a magical hair growth treatment. So this is a jar. We're going to be using a clean jar. All right, and I'll be adding, the first one we'll be adding is rosemary. Rosemary helps to stimulate blood flow to boost your hair growth. All right, so I'm just going to be putting a little bit because I'm doing a smaller batch for my friend. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using this fennel seed. Fennel seed helps to treat dandruff, itchy scalp, okay, baldness, thin edges. All right, then I'll just add hot water, and after I add my hot water, I'll allow this to infuse for 8 hours. After 8 hours, I will show you all what it looks like. Okay, if you're new to my YouTube channel, hi, my name is Naturally Jessie. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, my channel is all about DIY to help you to promote your hair growth. If you're suffering from hair thinning, hair loss, thin edges, baldness, alopecia, because all these are the things that happen to my hair, and I'm regrowing it out, and I'm taking you all along in my journey. So this is me transferring it in my spray bottle. After I transfer it to my spray bottle, I'll show you guys what my friend's hair looks like. This, her hair is like 6 months thereabout of using all my natural ingredients, and it has really helped her to boost out her hair. All right guys, so if you watch this extent, thank you all so much for watching. This is my friend, this is her hair. Like guys, can you see the thickness of the hair? You can see the volume, you can see the thickness. Like natural ingredients are amazing for our hair growth. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. I'm so excited that her hair is really growing, and I cannot wait to measure the hair and show you guys the length check and all. So I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed, stay safe, bye.